So once you install Supersaas, you get this very lightweight and simple landing page. You can of course delete it if you don't want uh, all of the code is in just one page. So yeah, not much happening over here. There's a functional newsletter subscription input box. The submissions go to super admin, which we'll have a look at later. It's really interesting, trust me. And yeah, of course, we have to have dark mode or a developer dies when you don't. I'm sorry, that's the rule. And I have thought of almost every single authentication provider and flow you'd need. Not everyone needs it, but it's nice that they're there. There's email password, passkeys, magic link, one-time passwords, social login examples for Google, GitHub, and Discord. Um, you can add like 35 more since Nuxt Auth support a lot of Auth providers. There's even phone number login, so you can send an SMS uh, code to login. And all of these authentications providers are written in a way you could just easily delete them. I mean, they are isolated components or pages. So if you don't want it, just delete it. I mean, the goal was to make it as frictionless as possible. And you also get uh, authentication flows like forgot password, verifying users, sending invitations. So yeah, I've thought like carefully thought out authentication flows. Uh, you also get login notifications as well. Let's wait for that. Yeah, so like a simple um, login notification, and yeah, so once you log in, you land on the simple demo page. You can just delete this. Like again, I didn't want it to look empty, so I just added this. This is not like a chart library, so I did not want it to bloat with like unnecessary package, which you should be deleting later. This is all just HTML, so just delete it if you want. And